Did you know that it is possible to alleviate symptoms and even control prostate growth using natural methods? Nature provides us with a true variety of resources, including medicinal plants and delicious fruits that can be great allies in maintaining prostate health. There are natural alternatives that work as practical solutions for those seeking relief and control over these discomforts. With the guidance of the renowned Dr. Barbara O'Neill, today we will explore 5 exceptional fruits that, besides being tasty, have properties that promote prostate well-being. Among them, there is one fruit in particular that stands out for its unique and surprising benefits. It's worth getting to know it and adding it to your routine. But before that, let's understand a little more about this essential gland for male health. The prostate is a male gland located just below the bladder, about the size of a walnut. It plays a crucial role in semen production, working alongside the testicles and seminal vesicles. However, as the years go by, it is common for it to enlarge, a condition called benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. This enlargement can cause symptoms such as the frequent need to urinate, difficulty fully emptying the bladder, or even a weaker urinary flow. This enlargement of the prostate is a natural process that occurs with aging and becomes a concern for many men as they grow older. When not treated properly, the problem can lead to complications such as prostatitis, a painful inflammation often associated with bacterial infections. Additionally, hyperplasia can cause bothersome symptoms like dribbling after urination and frequent nighttime trips to the bathroom, affecting quality of life. For this reason, it's important to know about natural options that can help prevent and alleviate these problems, contributing to the preservation of prostate health. Another crucial point to consider is prostate cancer, a condition that affects about 1 in 8 men during their lifetime. According to the American Cancer Society, about 29,900 new cases of this disease are expected in 2024. These numbers emphasize the importance of paying more attention to the topic and seeking preventive strategies. Although prostate cancer is a major concern, there's good news. Adopting healthy habits, such as regular physical activity, can bring significant benefits to prostate and overall health. How about diving into this topic and discovering how small changes in your daily routine can make a huge difference? Let's explore natural ways to care for prostate health, including 5 powerful fruits that can help prevent complications. As a bonus, I'll also share some simple yet effective tips to avoid future problems. Ready? Let's begin the countdown to discovering these incredible fruits. Additional benefits of lycopene. Lycopene, found in fruits like watermelon, tomato, guava, and red bell pepper, not only helps reduce the risk of prostate cancer, but also aids in protecting against cardiovascular diseases. Studies indicate that lycopene can reduce the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, helping to prevent heart problems. Including lycopene-rich foods in the diet is a practical way to promote cardiovascular health while caring for prostate health. The importance of a balanced diet. Besides fruits, a diet rich in vegetables, fibers, and antioxidants is essential to maintain prostate health. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage, for instance, contain compounds called glucosinolates, which have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Including nuts, omega-3 rich fish like salmon and olive oil can also improve prostate function. The regular practice of physical activity. Regular physical activity not only helps control weight, but also improves blood circulation and reduces inflammation. Research shows that men who exercise regularly, such as walking, running, or swimming, have a lower incidence of prostate problems. Physical activity can also help regulate testosterone levels, which is important since excessive production of this hormone may be related to prostate enlargement. The role of hydration. Adequate hydration is crucial for the functioning of the urinary tract and the prostate. Besides watermelon, other fruits with high water content, such as cucumber and orange, also help keep the body hydrated, promoting kidney function and prostate health. Drinking enough fluids is also vital to prevent dehydration, which can worsen urinary symptoms associated with benign prostatic hyperplasia. The importance of medical monitoring. While fruits and natural methods are powerful allies in promoting prostate health, it is crucial for men to undergo regular exams and medical checkups, especially from the age of 50 or earlier, if there is a family history of prostate cancer. The PSA, prostate-specific antigen test, and the digital rectal exam are essential tools for the early detection of prostate problems. Stress reduction. Chronic stress can negatively impact the health of various parts of the body, including the prostate. Stress-reducing techniques like meditation, yoga, deep breathing, and mindfulness are very effective in improving quality of life. Managing stress can also improve sleep, which directly impacts hormonal and prostate health. Other fruits for prostate health. Besides watermelon, in addition to watermelon, other fruits also play an important role in prostate health. Tomato, rich in lycopene, just like watermelon, and helps protect against prostate cancer. Guava, a source of lycopene and vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system. Pomegranate contains antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect the prostate. Raspberry, rich in fiber and antioxidants that help reduce the risk of inflammation and cancer. Including a variety of fruits and vegetables in your diet can be a tasty and effective way to care for prostate health while benefiting from essential nutrients. Back to watermelon. The first fruit we discussed is watermelon. It is not only extremely refreshing and delicious, but also its high lycopene content makes it a great ally in the prevention of prostate cancer. Additionally, watermelon is rich in citrulline, a compound that improves blood circulation, which is essential for prostate health. With over 90% of its composition being water, watermelon is also excellent for keeping the body hydrated, increasing satiety, and avoiding excessive calorie intake, helping to maintain a healthy weight and proper urinary function. The next time you enjoy a slice of watermelon, remember that it's doing more than just refreshing your day. It's taking care of your health in a delightful and effective way. Including this fruit in your routine can be a simple step towards promoting both prostate and cardiovascular well-being. Are you already a fan of watermelon? Comment below on your favorite fruit and share your experiences. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Rate this video from 1 to 10 in the comments and let us know what you think of the content. Your feedback is essential for us to continue providing useful and relevant information. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep receiving our updates. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.